Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to screen share Opera GX without black screen on Discord. So we will just configure the Opera GX app. We will not touch anything on Discord. So once we load up Opera GX, go to the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see three dots below GX. Click the three dots here. Once you're here, make sure to check Settings under Opera Tools. Check that. So this is the Settings icon. Click on it. Another tab will open up. And once you're in your settings, scroll down until you find Advanced. This is a hyperlink, so click on it. The advanced options will appear. Scroll down to the very bottom until you see System. So under Systems, you will see an option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. So when this is toggled, you will surely get a black screen when you're streaming Opera GX on Discord. So obviously, we will switch that off in order to fix the issue. Turn it off and click Relaunch. And then once it reboots, try again streaming on Discord and your problem's fixed.